What's up guys, it's AJ Alburo and today I'm gonna be bringing you a very cool video. I hope you guys are watching. But you know, a while ago there was a very big thunderstorm and today I'm gonna be pranking most of my friends, including one of my cousins. So if you really want to see more videos, please give this video a like, subscribe, and enjoy. Now, disclaimer guys, we're just bringing awareness to everyone. Like, when you are against a thunderstorm, be sure to stay indoors always. And now it's time to prank call most of my friends and cousins. Okay guys, you know, I got a lot of prank ideas guys that I really wanted to do, from Faze Rug, Piper Rachelle, Carter Sharer, Faze K. They're amazing pranksters also. And of course, there's one time that Davie504 also pranked the fans too. This is AJ. I have a very big problem today because a while ago I was going to get load for my cell phone, but I did not like follow the rules about safety, and my leg is a bit hot and also injured.
What happened?
I got struck by lightning.
Oh no.
I'm just gonna show you a screenshot at the end because you know what happened to my phone. My phone is already out of load for call and text, so here it is. I pranked my cousin. Next victim. Hello, Ate Ines.
Yes.
A while ago, I was playing my bass guitar and something happened to me.
Oh, what happened to you?
I did not turn off the I was using my amplifier, but you know, I got there was a thunderstorm a while ago and I got struck by lightning.
Yes?
Yes. I got struck. I got electrocuted when playing the bass.
Really?
Yes.
Don't play the bass because it's lightning and it's dangerous.
Okay, but I would just like to say this is a prank. It's gonna be on YouTube. Say hi to my fans.
It's a prank, mommy. I take care, ha. Don't play the bass. It's lightning.
This is just to help. This is just to teach people on not to do something in electricity or go outside when there's lightning. That's just a video for awareness.
Yes, very good AJ.
Okay.
Take care, yeah.
Bye. Hello, Ate Kristen. Ganina kay kuan ko naglakaw ko ganina padulong sa sari-sari store dito. Pero nag-ulan man ganina. Medyo akong tiil na medyo na kuan siya, naisakit karon kay ako ra ni ingon bad news ni siya nahitabo. Nakurinti ko, naigo ko by lightning. Nara ko diris balay. Pero okay ra akong whole body except kaning tiil. Before nako niingon, I just wanna say this is a prank. It's a prank. Okay. It's a con. Pero for kon ramani, for just to bring awareness for the YouTube video mani siya.
For the YouTube video.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hello, Kuya Joel. Si AJ ni. Ganina nagpractice ko sa akong bass pero murag na ko'y bad news na akong iingon. Ganina nagbalugdog man pero Koan, while ga practice ko bass, naigo ko by lightning.
Tapos,
Oh, nakurinti ko.
tapos,
Nara ko diris bed. Prank, Rani. It's prank. It's a prank. For YouTube.
okay. Sige,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Nakoy bad news na maingon kay murag ganina kay nagpractice ko sa akong bass.
Huh?
Pero nagdalugdog karon, medyo karon injured kay ko kay na igo ko by lightning.
Ano man?
Oh, nagpractice ko og bass.
Dabi, noon sa mga...
Siya, for YouTube ni siya. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Sige na, babay na.
Okay guys, that was a great video for today. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and of course, that's how it is. I'm gonna make more videos soon. Peace out.